my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Lookie's back! Yay! Mum's back looking super tanned. And she's bought her Birchboxes. So we've got February's and March. So we're just gonna rip them open. Because it's Mother's Day.
This is true.
So she's come over and I cooked a ginormous lasagna.
Flowers and some chocolates.
Yeah, and a card that I made with no swearing on it. And
it says something like, I'm sorry I was
such a horrible
child.
Which is true. I was horrid. So this is the first one. This is February's box. I think did you choose this design because there was options?
Possibly. I can't remember. It's so long
This is like the 70s one.
I've been on holiday since.
You have. She's been in India for a month if nobody knows. Birchbox is £10 a month and £2.95 postage and packaging.
Like that. I don't know.
So this is Mum's.
What have we got?
Right. I'll get the little doodad out. You have got your first thing is finishing polish, which I'm pretty sure you've had before.
What's a finishing polish?
For your hair, I think.
Right.
I think it is. Have a look.
That's possibly okay.
But it's not full though. Look.
No.
It's like half. It's like to here.
But then if you buy a box of Rice Krispies, they're never full, are they?
So this is Percy and Reed, quite frankly flawless finishing polish. Yes, it's for your hair. So
that's alright then.
You probably use that, yeah.
That's true.
What have you got next? You've got a Lucetta coconut milk hair mask, another hair mask, which is a bit.
I can't understand why I've never heard of any of these makes.
Because they're like Indian stuff.
Indian?
Indie brands.
What's indie mean?
Can someone please explain to Mum what indie brands are? Someone will comment. Someone will comment.
I don't know what an indie brand is. Is it a bit like music? Indie music? No.
This is another hair mask. This is teasing your do into throwback styles might be fun.
Have you heard of them?
Not this one. I haven't. I have this one. I have this one.
What does that one do?
It's just a hair mask. So you use like a deep conditioning mask.
Oh,
that looks quite nice.
Be alright.
£32 for a full size.
Crumbs. What's this thing?
This is a conceal and correct green corrector by Model Co. This will be good for Mum because she's very pink. The light. We're literally in the garden shed right now because the house is full of idiots.
No, it's not.
Our family.
Yeah.
You can't, so it doesn't want to focus. So there you go. And it's just a green corrector. So you just put this where you're green and then
where I'm red.
Where you're red.
I'm not green normally.
To that.
Unless I'm feeling ill. Then I look a bit green.
This is full size. This is £14. Yeah. Well, you've got.
That's an interesting colour. Look, is that
a lip balm? No, it's a lip balm.
That's alright.
Pixie lip balm. This is £8. That's really pretty. Pixie lip balms are always nice. And
that is £8.
That's £8, yeah.
Well, why would you buy that and not a Nivea one for £1? Okay.
You should you should buy one and then you should test them for us.
Well, they're just exactly the same.
You don't know.
Like
this one's pink.
Yeah. What, pink inside?
Open it and have a look. I look washed out, like the colour of the wall compared to you right now.
It'll take me about 3 days.
Okay, well, I'll let you do that while I do this. And then lastly, you've got the Beauty Crop, and this is a full-size eyeshadow trio, and this is £7. And it's just some really nice browns and a gold by the looks of things.
I'm nearly in.
But it is. The camera does not want to do anything because
I'm nearly in.
I'm going to show you. We're literally just
I'm in
the garden shed. So there's just.
Yeah, I'm in.
You're in.
There we go. Oh, look. It's bright.
Told you. Swatch it on your hand like a professional.
But it will come out a funny colour, won't it, on my arm? And it's pink. Oh, that's pretty.
See?
That's a bit different because the Vaseline and the Nivea ones are clear.
There you go.
Right, so that's the end of that box.
That's February.
So that wasn't too bad.
No, you'll use everything in there.
I think I probably will. That might be a first.
This one doesn't want to come undone. Have you got a key or anything on you?
No.
Oh, I did it. I did it with my dagger nails.
Staggy nails.
So they're dagger nails. Ooh, that's a pretty one. That's a really pretty box, isn't it?
And it's heavy.
Very heavy. Compared to that one, very heavy. So, oh shit, the bed.
Well,
that is heavy.
It is heavy.
Okay, be present, not perfect.
I see.
Right, okay, you've got. I've literally just tested one of these.
And what does that do?
It's a peel-off mask.
Yeah.
My video is going up next week, but it is a black
So
peel
is
off.
that one?
No, you can probably get like 4 out of this.
4?
4 or 5 out of
Very
this.
thin layers.
Yeah,
then.
only like on your nose and stuff.
Oh,
like
right.
blackheads.
I don't do them.
Okay, well, I'll have it then.
No, it's alright. Well, do you want it?
No, because I've used it.
Oh, well, I'll keep it then.
You keep it and use it. You never know. Full size one of these is £14, but I do know this. You have to pay £5 for shipping, but it's 5 to 10 business days shipping for a £5. So it's £21 for a full size one of these, which I think is ridiculous.
No, go and get the mud out of the garden.
We'll do that. What's this little one? Badlands dry shampoo paste. This is just a teeny tiny sample. And that says dry shampoo isn't just a good idea for days when you're in between hair washes. It's the ultimate hack to achieve the coveted bedhead look. The paste is formulated with Hawaiian volcanic ash, coconut and sunflower seed oils to add shine.
Rubbish.
It's a teeny tiny.
So that's got Hawaiian volcanic ash in it.
Yeah. Oh, it smells nice. Do you use dry shampoo?
Yes.
See?
Occasionally.
You might like that.
What's
What's
that?
this? This looks fancy pants. A glow boost. Oh, I'm jealous about this, mum.
A glow boot. Is that a bit like a beauty flash balm?
This isn't full size, I don't think. This is only a teeny tiny. How big are you? This is a 15ml, but a full size one is £29.90. And this is a Lumine Velo Glow Boost Essence. When you really want to achieve glowing skin, forget highlighters or radiance primers, start with your skincare instead. And this is vitamin C, spring water, brightening technology.
Wow, that'll make all the
hyaluronic acid. Oh, I'm so jealous.
You're going to try it?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put it? Oh
on
my
my
goodness,
hand.
that looks like a droppy thing.
It is a droppy thing.
What's that feel like?
Oh, smell it. I'm so jealous.
Oh, that smells
That's
lovely.
lovely.
Oh, you're not
Lucky
having
thing.
that one then.
I might actually buy one of them.
No,
That
you
smells
won't.
amazing.
You can't afford it.
Well, when I have money.
One day.
Yeah. Next up, we've got...
That looks like a jar of honey.
It does look like a jar of honey. I think that's the
I
idea.
thought it was a jar of honey.
Is that going to focus?
What's it called?
It's a R&Co. No, that's not that.
Oh,
it's a Baja.
Royal
Baja
Body. Yeah.
Gommage Festin Royal Body Scrub. Full size is £14.90. So you've got no full size products in this one, which is a bit pants. And this is just like a sugar scrub for in the shower.
Oh, that's right.
Nice, isn't it? Oh, that smells lovely as well. Smells like caramel.
It smells like toffee. Yeah.
That's really nice. And the last thing
Goodness.
is a Bad Gal Bang, which is the new Benefit mascara, which everyone says is overhyped. Not worth it. The full size one is £21.50.
Crime.
Yeah. Crimes. Crimes!
Cripes, I would say.
So yeah, that is just a mascara.
So what does that look like then? Let's have a little look, shall we?
I think it looks quite interesting, but it's supposed to be amazing.
I'm glad you like that Wonder Brow thing.
That's really good. But I have heard that this is overhyped.
Can't even undo it.
So
Not going to be very good.
next month you get to choose your highlighter.
There you go.
Model Co highlighter.
Nice long brush.
You might like it.
Do you think
You'll
so?
have to let us know. Or just use it now. We'll just wait. We'll just wait.
What does that look like?
You can't see it.
No, I didn't think you'd be able to.
Try again on the other eye then.
What do you think? I just would do the one eye.
You just put it all over your face now.
Where? Wipe it off
Underneath.
then.
There you go.
Thank you. Do you think I should do the other one?
Yes, mum. I could not do mascara without a mirror. Well, I've just done a no makeup challenge, no mirror makeup challenge, and that was hard, and this was terrifying me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
But you can't even see
They
it.
look dark. They look nice and
Do
dark.
they?
Yeah.
Okay, well there you go then. I've used that. So both of
That
boxes
they're both for
were
you.
quite
They're
good
really good
for
boxes.
me.
For you, they're very, very good. I think this is a bit pants that there's not one full-size product in it, but I am super, super jealous of this. And
This
I
is
will
what weighed a lot, wasn't it?
100% be looking
I
into
suppose
buying
I
one of
could always
these.
have this on toast if it
You could do, yeah.
smells like.
It does smell like caramel.
Oh, I've just squodged it.
Oh, you have?
Oh, I just felt it. I felt it go squodge because it's still dark.
That's fine. It's fine. Look in the mirror. Look, I'll zoom you in.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, and I've done it again, I think.
Oh my.
Come on, get your finger out. What have I done that for then? What am I doing
Because
wrong?
you're not letting it dry.
I've done it again.
Oh, for fuck's sake. You can just have it on your face then.
Can you just wipe that?
You can just have it on
I
your
won't do it again. What did I do wrong? Where's it gone?
It's on your eyelid.
But wipe it off then.
Good God.
I'm sorry.
Stop it.
I'll just keep looking downwards and then it won't go up, will it?
So that was Mum's 2 Birchboxes.
I can't look up and say
because
goodbye
she's
to
been
everybody.
Yes, you can. Nobody cares if you've got mascara on your face.
Well, I've done it again. I can feel it. So that's not very good if you don't want your eyelids covered in mascara.
Yeah, if you've got slightly hooded eyes,
I
maybe.
haven't got hooded
You have got
eyes.
hooded eyes.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Close your eye. Now open your eye. Look. This is a hood.
Oh,
Look.
so few.
Yeah, I know. But I keep my eyes wide.
Everybody's got
I keep
that.
my eyes wide.
Can you wipe it off again?
Oh my God. Okay, it's just dried and smudged onto your eye now. She's fucked it. We're going to have to go.
Alright, okay.
So we're going to go and have a Mother's Day lunch.
Yeah.
If you like these videos, please do give this
Sorry.
one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. And Mum's back.
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm
So
back.
expect more videos.
Yeah.
Everyone has missed you. Everybody tell Mum how much you've missed her down below because it'll make her happy on Mother's Day. So,
right.
Yeah.
And you must subscribe to her channel immediately.
Immediately, or she's coming for you. Thanks for
Alright
watching.
then,
Bye guys.